slowly, so I hope it works. Okay, there we go. All right. We did this in class. Now I'm going to do one of these so that you know what to do here. This one is easy, but you need to have all the bases to be 9 here. And this is a 1, so you need to put 9 to the 0 power. Okay, so then you go n plus a negative 3 equals to 0. And then add 3, so n can be 3 only. But if you have a less than sign, which will be on the test, you need to change the base to be all the same here. So notice these bases are all the same, and this has an exponent of 1, so you're cool here. So this n plus negative 3 greater than, remember less than, it spells less. Greater is bigger than 1. Okay, you add 3, add 3. So you would say n has to be bigger than 4. So choose numbers for n, for this n, that are bigger than, that are, in math we say greater than 4. Like 5, 6, 7, dot, 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 right? Here, you need to do the same, n plus a negative 3, smaller than, oh, this is 9 to the 0 power, 0. So add 3, n is less than 3. So choose numbers that are small, less than 3, like 2. So you say choose numbers that are smaller than 3, like 2, 1, 0, negative 1. Okay, so here we'll be on the test. I hope you guys know how to do this. We've done a lot of these recently, so I need you to make sure you understand this. If you don't, see me at, oh well, you know you need to subtract this, right? I went over these yesterday. Distribute this. This is an, that's m to the 6th, 6 to the 2nd. Do the exponent here. That's a 0, so that's a 1 and a 1. Okay, and then x here, cross out this 1, minus a 1, put a 1 there. X to the 4th. And then this is not an exponent anymore. Multiply and divide last. Divide by 3, you get 1 over 3. Multiply them. So 1 times this one is 1 times x to the 4th is x to the 4th. And the bottom is 3. Okay, make sure you know how to do these. And make sure you distribute that. That's 40p on the test, guys. 3 to the 4th times 7 times p to the negative 10. Do the exponent first. Show this work tomorrow. 40 plus negative 10. P is 30. Okay, and then you got the exponent of 3 to the 4th. There's no other base of 3. This is base of 7. So 7 times, do the exponent first. 3 times 3 is 9. That's 81. Multiply that. Get your answer. Put it here, whatever that answer is. Okay? Make sure this is 4 times square root of 25 is 5. Square root of n to the 6th is n to the 3rd, so it's 20 n to the 3rd. Alrighty? Okay, this is on the test and I didn't cover it. Oh my God, today in class. Kids struggle with this all the time. I'm sorry. The difference of two numbers is 20. We know how to write the difference of two numbers 20. So difference of subtract. So x minus y, difference is minus, of two numbers is 20, equals to 20, okay? So the greater number is, so whatever the greater number is 2 less than the smaller number. Okay, so we have the greater number and the smaller number. So here x has to be the greater number here. X is the first number, is the greater number. So the greater number, so this is the greater, hope you guys watch this, number. Y then is the smaller number. Get over this. I know we covered in class earlier. Okay, so the greater number, y is the smaller number because the big number minus the small number equals to 20. Alright? It's important you know that. So the greater number, so the greater number here is letter x, is equal to less than, then flip minus 2, 3 times the smaller number. Smaller number is y, smaller number is letter y, smaller number is y. So 3y. Okay, so you have the equation, this equation here, and that equation here. Cannot use elimination, you have to use substitution. You need to put where x is, find x, which is this one. See x? I'll use a different color here. Sorry. This x here and this x here. Oops. You're going to substitute that. We're going to use substitution because we have x equal. Oh gosh, I cannot believe I didn't go over this. Okay, you're going to use substitution. So, instead of writing this x,
attention all students, the NPR and hallway will be open for snacks.
Where that is.
All students, NPR and hallway are now open.
3y minus 2 for this, minus that y, let's do additive inverse, equals to the 20. So that's what you're solving for. So combine this like terms, you get 2y plus an